months. So that brings me to my first point as we begin this evening. If you are unhappy with your brow shape, my first recommendation is to just let them grow out for about a month. Now we have the trend for thicker eyebrows. Number two, there are a few tools that I recommend. You want to invest in a nice eyebrow brush. You can get this from your drugstore or Sephora. So this brush that we're going to be using today, one side is an eyebrow brush, one side is a little chiseled tip for those of us that will be using the brow pomade. You want to invest in a brow gel. All of the products I'm mentioning today are by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is exactly what the name suggests. It's a gel to lock in your eyebrows. The beginning of your brow, you want to just lay your brush parallel to your nose. So see how my brush, her eyebrows are actually perfect, right? So your eyebrow should start here. If it starts like inwards more, it's too much, or if it starts out more, it's too short for your face. The first thing that you want to do is you want to just kind of take your brush and with the flat side, gather a little bit of product. You want to work with a little bit at a time because this is very concentrated and it could really do some damage if it. So how I like to start is I like to start at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to draw like a slightly small short line, and then the way you start filling in at the beginning is you follow the directions of the hairs. So see how the hairs in the beginning of her eyebrow are going upward? So I'm going to draw little lines going upward to mimic her natural eyebrow hair, okay? What I don't want to do is just like color this all in. That'll look fake. Now I am just following the shape of her eyebrow, accentuating the arch, and just filling in the sparse areas as I go along. And this is why it's important, guys, to opt for a lighter color for the eyebrow gel, because if I did her eyebrow in black right now, and let's say if I made a mistake, I would probably have to wipe everything off and start over. With the pencil, the technique's the same. The only thing is it's not as concentrated as the pomade is. So we're just gonna give her a coat of the brow gel. So the first third of her eyebrow, I'm gonna just brush the hairs up like I did initially, right? And then I just kind of follow the natural.
Yeah, I have a little section that always comes down. So.
Yeah. So I always start by brushing the eyebrow. The first third of the eyebrow, I brush it upwards, right? And then I just follow the natural path of her eyebrow. Great. So now that I've brushed her eyebrows out, I'm going to do the same thing. I like to start at the bottom. Okay, so. Keep in mind, the further down you go, the thicker you're going to make the eyebrow. So just follow the natural line of your eyebrow hairs, okay? Again, same technique. So what you don't want to do, guys, you don't want to like color it in. Use like little flecks to mimic natural eyebrow hair, okay? So I filled in her other eyebrow with the pencil. Again, I kept it natural. You can always amplify it if you need to. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give her a coat of the brow gel just to lock in those hairs.
Oh, I know. I look like I just came from the eyebrow salon.
You look fabulous.